Does your child's sink look like this? And they basically clogged it with hair. This is just for me trying to rinse out what was in there. Look how long it's taking to go down. All right, everybody, forgive me for the lighting, but this is where we are. We're at the bottom of the sink. So the plunger assembly is attached right here. We're gonna end up pulling this guy out. We're gonna end up disconnecting this all the way, and then we're gonna end up pulling this piece right here all the way out. And that top plunger assembly that's right here, this is gonna end up leaving as well. So we have to take the whole thing out so that we can find the clog that's probably sitting in here and in here, take all of these pipes out as well, and then we can get this guy cleaned up. First, this one's gonna come out second. Oh yeah. Look at all that crap. So there's a bunch of hair. We're gonna clean that out. We need to take this guy out. Okay. And then this will pop right out just like so. And you can see there's a bunch of crap on there too we want to get out. And then next we want to take this and spin. Oh, look at that. That's disgusting. Thanks, girls. And then there's this guy in here, which we push up. And then we grab from the top. Look at that. That's gross. All right, here's another fun little tip. I'm trying to get all the junk sitting in here out of here. It's kind of hard to tell. But there's a lip down here. So I just grabbed a pencil to rub it around it. By taking your finger and popping it up in here. Yeah, that's nice and clean now. You can see all that that's sitting in there, right? So we've got our garden hose here. We're just gonna go ahead and give that a quick rinse. The next parts, this guy is gonna be really, really gross. Look at that. All right, everybody, so we're back inside. We've got all of our parts cleaned out, ready to go. This has some permanent staining on it, but it's really not that bad. Don't forget to lose these. This goes on here. You want to make sure that actually stays there. So now let's go ahead and get it all assembled. Got this washer. That's going to go ahead and go back up in here. Like so. That. We need to go ahead and add this piece back in. But you want to make sure that this piece is turned towards you so that when you put this guy back in here, it's able to go ahead and connect. So this is the piece that goes on top. I'm gonna put it in like so, and we're just gonna spin. All right, you can see we're gonna try to go back up to our line. Our line is sitting right up here. All right, there we go. That's there. All right, we know we did it right. There we go. All right, next part to go ahead and do is we need to connect these all back together. I want to connect them in like so. All right, so these guys are now nice and tight here and nice and tight here. So let's see what it looks like up top. Oh yeah, that's going down much, much faster than it was before. Test for any leaks. There's no leaks. So we are good. So this is how you go ahead and clean out your child's bathroom drain. Now, I've done this several times in this house. This is the third drain that I've done. We've lived here for a little over a year, and I expect that this is something that needs to be done on a yearly basis. Anyways, if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and put them down below in the comment section. And if you want to see something else on this channel that's kind of home and family related, please let me know, and I'll get that right out to you. But as always, have a fantastic week.